Most people don't fail on Amazon KDP because they chose the wrong cover. They fail because they chose the wrong niche, and they don't even realize it until months later when nothing sells. Right now, thousands of new publishers are uploading books every single day. Most of them are copying what they see on YouTube, chasing saturated niches and hoping for fast results. But in 2026, guessing your niche is the fastest way to waste time. So in this video, I'll walk you through a clear, step-by-step system to find a profitable KDP niche, one that gives you real opportunity instead of false hope. Before we start, subscribe to Silent Publisher and turn on notifications, because the niche you choose in 2026 will decide whether your books quietly disappear or start generating real income. And watch this video till the very end, because the final step I'm going to show you is where most KDP beginners fail. And it's the reason many people think Amazon KDP doesn't work anymore. Let's get into it. What a profitable niche really means. First, you need to understand something important. A profitable KDP niche is not just a category with lots of books. And it's definitely not a niche where you see one bestseller and assume money is easy. A real niche has three things: demand. People are actually searching for it. Opportunity. Competition isn't impossible. Consistency. Sales are happening regularly, not just once. Most beginners only look at popularity. Smart publishers look for imbalance, where buyers exist but creators haven't fully optimized the space. Step 1. Start with buyer intent, not ideas. The biggest mistake people make is starting with what they like instead of what buyers need. Instead of thinking, what kind of book do I want to create? Ask, what problem are people already trying to solve? Open Amazon and start typing keywords into the search bar. Watch the auto-suggest results. These suggestions are based on real buyer searches. Examples: Anxiety Journal for Teens, Gratitude Journal for Women, ADHD Planner. These phrases tell you one powerful thing: people are already looking for solutions. Write down 10 to 15 phrases that show clear intent. Don't judge them yet, just collect data. Step 2. Check real demand. Now that you have potential niches, we need to check if people are actually buying. Click into the search results and look at bestseller rank, BSR, reviews, publishing frequency. If multiple books in the niche have BSRs under 100,000, that's a strong sign of ongoing sales. But here's the emotional trap many people fall into. They see one top book and assume the niche is profitable. Don't do that. Look for patterns, several books performing well. Profitability is about consistency, not luck. Step 3. Analyze competition smartly. Competition isn't your enemy. Bad positioning is. Instead of asking, is this niche saturated? Ask, are these books poorly optimized? Look for weak covers, generic titles, poor keyword usage, low review quality. If the top results look average, that's opportunity. In 2026, you don't need an empty niche. You need a niche where you can be better. Step 4. Validate keywords before creating. Before you design a single page or write anything, validate your keywords. Search your niche phrase and ask, does Amazon clearly understand this topic? If Amazon auto-suggests similar terms and shows related products, that's a good sign. Also pay attention to long-tail keywords. Long-tail niches often have less competition, higher buyer intent, more consistent ranking potential. This is where many new publishers quietly build momentum. Step 5. Future-proof your niche for 2026. Here's something most people ignore. Trends change faster now. Instead of chasing viral niches, look for evergreen angles within growing topics. Examples: mental wellness, productivity systems, kids' learning tools, self-development. But don't just follow trends blindly. Combine evergreen topics with specific audiences. For example, Not just journal, but mindfulness journal for busy professionals. Specific niches create stronger visibility. Let me be honest with you for a second. Many people don't quit KDP because it doesn't work. They quit because they never chose the right niche to begin with. They rushed the process. They copied what everyone else was doing. And when sales didn't come immediately, they assumed the system was broken. But when you slow down and research strategically, everything changes. Your books stop competing blindly and start positioning themselves where buyers already exist. So let's recap the process. Start with buyer intent. Check real demand using BSR. Analyze competition for weak spots. Validate keywords before creating. And choose niches that still have room to grow in 2026. If this video helped you understand how to find a profitable KDP niche step by step, make sure you like the video, subscribe to Silent Publisher, and comment niche below. I read every comment, and it helps me know what to create next. And don't leave yet. Click the next video YouTube is showing you on your screen right now. It's the perfect follow-up if you want to keep improving your Amazon KDP strategy. See you in the next one.